Is your Amazon listing not searchable and you're already generating sales? Chances are that your listing is ghosted by Amazon. In today's video, I'm going to be going over what a ghosted listing is and how to get it fixed. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. We're a multi-million-dollar Amazon consulting firm that helps sellers like you sell and succeed on Amazon. Let's dive in. So a ghosted listing is a term that I coined that pretty much means your listing is not showing up on Amazon. It's not searchable, nobody can find it. Bada bing, bada boom, Amazon is not letting it be seen. You're not able to generate as many sales as you usually do. Sometimes you're able to run Amazon ads and your listing is still ghosted. Let's dive into it in today's video. So here's an example to check to see if your listing is ghosted. So this product, what happened is it was ghosted, meaning that it wasn't showing up in search. So when it's ghosted, the first thing that you want to see is you're missing a sales rank. So the sales rank is missing, even if you're generating sales. If your sales rank is missing, double check that your category is correct and double check that you have generated sales in the last 3 months. Those are the first two things that you want to check. Next is to copy your ASIN, open up a new tab and search your ASIN. Click search. If your ASIN doesn't show up, that means you're ghosted. So you've got 3 different ways to see if you're ghosted right now, but this is the easiest way to determine if your listing's ghosted. And this is a huge problem. This means nobody's going to be able to find your listing. So to get this fixed, the first thing you're going to do is make sure your category is optimized. Contact Amazon. Hey, is my category showing? Do I have a category? Make sure your category is there. Edit your listing. After that, make sure you've generated at least 1 sale in the past 3 months. After that, you're going to contact Amazon and you're going to put a screenshot and say, look, search my ASIN. You can't find me. If you click search, I'm not able to be seen. You guys ghosted my listing. I'm not being indexed. Please fix it. Amazon's going to be extremely confused, but you need to keep hounding them that it's an indexing issue and somebody at Amazon did this. So right now you're going to be on escalation 1 or open a seller support case, and you're going to want to bring it to escalation 2 where you involve the catalog team. You're going to want to get on the phone with them and explain the issue. Explain you're not being indexed. Tell them to type in the ASIN. They're going to scratch their head and say that's really strange. Say you're generating sales. Here's a screenshot of your sales. You already called for them to fix the category. And they can check other ASINs. So if we go back, tell them on the phone, say, look, type in golf card game. And they can type in an ASIN. And you can see that they show up. That means that they're indexing and you aren't. So this is when you explain to them and you walk them through and you say, have you ever dealt with this? And they say no. Say, well, can you escalate this to somebody on your team that has? Then you try to escalate it again, if needed, to the captive or the leadership team. Now they may not let you escalate it to the captive or leadership team unless you've been working on this for at least 10 days straight. But make sure you're on top of it every day. You're explaining the issue and saying, hey, I want to be indexed. I should be indexed on Amazon. If your listing looks a little risque, right? It's got these parties in the background or you have half naked people, make sure you edit your listing and make it look PG. Once it gets reinstated, you can slowly change your listing back, but make sure that it does look PG to the best of your ability. It's straightforward. Anybody at Amazon can review it and be like, this is supposed to be indexed, it's not supposed to be ghosted, this is a product for everybody, and stuff like that. And make sure you are contacting the catalog team. And then my pro tip is to continue to contact Amazon, specifically usually the catalog team. If you need to escalate it, that's fine, but make sure you're explaining it in detail in the message and you're attaching screenshots that like, look, I'm not searchable. It should be searchable when you type in the ASIN, and it's not. Please ensure that it is searchable. It is indexing. You've ghosted my listing. Please fix it. and the catalog team does have the ability to fix it. And if they don't fix it, then the captive and leadership team can fix it as well. And of course, like I just said, make sure it is PG-13. This will all make, or PG, make sure that this will all help you get back on Amazon, get back to indexing, and get back to generating as many sales as possible. This has happened plenty of times with our products and our clients' products where randomly sales dropped. They're allowed to still run Amazon ads, but now I realize that they're not searchable. What do? You have to contact Amazon and prove to them that you aren't searchable, and then they'll get you back online. This usually takes 10 to 30 days to get it fixed, depending on who you get at Amazon and how well you explain the issue. Don't forget to follow up every single day on this issue to get it reinstated. And if you need help selling on Amazon, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. We're your go-to consultants.